In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a traffic ticket online in Washington, D.C. If you need to look up a ticket in Washington, D.C., the easiest place to start is the D.C. Department of Motor Vehicles online ticket service. This is the official option for searching many common ticket types, and it lets you look up a citation either by ticket number or by entering your state and license plate number. If you already have the ticket in front of you, using the ticket number is usually the fastest method. If not, your plate information can help you locate it instead. As you begin, it's important to know that the search process depends on the kind of violation you're dealing with. Washington, D.C. separates ticket lookup options based on the ticket category, so choosing the right portal will save time and avoid confusion. For parking tickets and photo enforcement tickets, you'll want to use the online ticket payment portal. These tickets may begin with a letter, or they may be entirely numeric. If your citation falls into one of those categories, that portal is typically the correct place to search. Once you enter the required information, you should be able to view the ticket details and continue with the next steps on the site if needed. For minor moving violations, the process is a little different. These tickets are all numeric and they are handled through the DMV's minor moving violations portal. So if your ticket involves a minor moving offense and the number format matches, make sure you're using that specific section rather than the parking or photo enforcement system. There's also a helpful option called the Ticket Alert Service available through the DC DMV Ticket Services page. If you register your vehicle there, you can receive alerts and view related ticket documents, including photos and notices when available. This can be especially useful if you want to stay informed about future citations or keep everything in one place. One important note, not every traffic-related offense is handled by the DMV. Major criminal offenses such as DUI-related violations, driving with a suspended license, or similar serious cases are handled by the DC Superior Court instead. If your case falls into that category, you'll need to use the court's traffic violations resources rather than the DMV website. And finally, if you need more than just a lookup, such as payment options or information on disputing a fine, the DC DMV Pay Tickets Guide is the best place to review your next steps. That's how to find a traffic ticket online in Washington, D.C.